Hello, everyone. Amber Irwin here, co-founder of Social Speak Network. In today's blog, we're going to be talking about 6 ways you can utilize Pinterest for your healthcare marketing. Number 1, create pin-worthy images. Make sure that the images you're putting up are valuable, they have clean text on them, they're grabbing the eye. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so there's a lot of images being pinned every single day, so make sure that your pin is sticking out amongst others. Number 2, educate your audience. So the whole point of Pinterest is, again, that visual search engine. So you want to make sure that you are putting pins up that what your patients are looking for, your audience would be looking for. So maybe if you are an OBGYN and you are working with new moms, maybe it is one pin is how to implement a sleep routine for a newborn, how to wean off breastfeeding, things that your audience is going to be searching for. That's what you want. Those are the pins you want to create to educate your audience. Number 3, create boards centered around your specialty. And this is really important, making sure, again, that you are educating your audience. And if you work with your patients, sticking with that OBGYN, if you work with them really from, the day they find out they're pregnant, so healthy pregnancy tips, to delivery plan, to newborn, 0 to 3 months. So making sure that you are having the right boards that are, 1, SEO friendly, but 2, that your audience would be searching for. Number 4, driving more traffic to your blog. And this is really important, making sure that you have pins that are, if you're blogging every week or every month, turn those blogs into pin images and put them onto Pinterest with a link back to your blog post. This is driving traffic back to your site, and that's what we want Pinterest to be used for, is driving the traffic back to your website. Number 5, see what topics are trending. So do your research, find out what your audience is searching for. You can, same thing on Google. As you go to Google and you start typing in something and kind of auto-fills that suggested search, Pinterest does the same thing. So make sure that you're seeing what topics are trending. And number 6, promote yourself and any events you have, especially with everything being, really online. This is a great way to attract new people to your center and letting them know what's going on with your location. So making sure that you are promoting anything that you guys have. If you have a new mom webinar or a delivery plan webinar, whatever that may be, make sure you're promoting that on Pinterest, along with how they can find you, how they can work with you, and if you do any telehealth consultation as well. So those are just a few ways to be able to use Pinterest for your healthcare practice. If you need help implementing this into your digital marketing strategy, let us know. You could schedule a free consultation today. Thank you.